Kyari should just stop talking. He should just stop talking. He doesn't need all this explanation again. It is no longer news that popular Nigerian police officer Abba Kyari was indicted in a $1.1 million fraud deal by a U.S. court over allegations levied against him by embattled Nigeria fraudster Ramon Abbas. The news of his indictment came as a rude shock to everyone, most especially those who looked up to him. While reacting to a latest report by some media outlets, Abba Kyari on Tuesday denied collecting bribe from Hushpuppi to detain Chibuzo. He said he only acted as a debt collector for Hushpuppi after he sent him a 8 million naira transaction receipt to help recover an outstanding debt someone owed his friend. Abba Kyari also maintained his defense. He said nobody collected or demanded any money from Hushpuppi. It is unclear whether he will be extradited to the US to face trials. However, internal investigation is still ongoing. A lot of his supporters believe his ordeal might be politically motivated, and until he is proven guilty, Abba Kyari should not be described as a criminal. Well, he said he acted as a middleman, a debt collector, and that was exactly what he did. And he did nothing. He didn't demand any money from him, and nobody asked him to pay anything. Well, you better switch off your cassette so that you have enough music to play to the FBI when the show starts. I beg tell them, debt collector. Indeed, Mr. Taylor's turn to debt collectors inside life. As a public servant, he has the right to do so. Mr. Please go and study the fundamental duties of a police officer. Which of the police says a policeman should act as a debt collector? Which of the policy? Okay, is he the courts? I learned he shared parts of the bribes he has been collected from both home and abroad. Good thing will never come your way for supporting evil. The duties of the police are to fight crimes. Debt collection is not one of them. It is purely a civil matter. The Supreme Court has held that such matters are to be settled in courts and not by the police. In addition, Abba Kyari keeps changing his story. That is evidence of guilt. Mr. Taylor to Ususu, no be small Ususu. Ogene Isuzu brother, thought you said it was only 300k for Agbada. Where is the 8 million naira coming from? No, it's from Nigeria Minister of Information. That is the balance. This guy does not even know that FBI has done all-round investigations before calling on him. All this your blah 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 is noise making. The way illiterate like you see FBI is not the way educated people see them. You are also free to support whoever you want to. We know that you are educated. What? It will be an empty adventure living in the thought that any Nigeria system can produce a straight course. The Nigeria system is crowning folks crime lords. If your app of vices is not armed, you can never earn a decent living in Nigeria. The poorest country with quite a deep and abyss of wealth wells. A country of the world's poorest citizens that produce the richest black man and woman. Quite a travesty of fate. Show me a politician of Nigeria decent outside Peter Obi than can explain in verifiable honesty the source of most of his wealth, and I will show you a dead pregnant woman standing in the labor room. Those calling the young police are actually sitting on mines of extracts. Nigeria is obfuscation personified. So what make you let me look for my English dictionary. I beg. The greatest problem of Igbo is that they say themselves they don't know what they want collectively. They detest every tribe and hate themselves at home. They will only dance and clap to anybody's downfall as they contribute in bringing their son down. Not knowing he who wishes someone evil may be the first to be consumed on its arrival. Abba Kyari explained his relationship, his business or his transaction, if I may put it that way, with Hushpuppi. I don't know why Igbo matter is coming here in the first place. Is it the Igbo that indicted him? I don't know. I can't really get it. Well, that is why you support evil. Supporting evil is their watchword. Now, support the evil and they cannot support the evil because it's so glaring. It's so glaring. Shame on this guy. You are a complete disgrace to yourself. You can imagine what as a police officer is, the way he's defending himself. Stop exposing yourself more. Stop lying. This childish statement doesn't make sense. For 11 years, you are the hunter. Now you are being hunted. Face the music, please, as a brave man. Our case is always upside down. Why? This man should visit Mr. Lai Mohammed so he can lecture him on how to lie very well. About political lie is quite different from police force lie. They investigated or they envisaged the prospect of the Super Cup becoming IG in future, but they will be disappointed. Oh my goodness. Some people can be funny. They envisaged. So they envisaged and they asked him to collect money, or they asked him to help Hush Puppy to sew dress. Anyway, he's away. Abba Kyari never thought this case will get to this level. Just throw in the towel, admitted your offense. Bribe is bribe, whether it's in form of debt collection or debt by back. Apologize to Nigerians. We are all disappointed of what has happened. When you decide to answer the Americans' call, don't forget to pack this good clothes and the debt so far collected for Ramano, 8 million naira. May God guide you on your journey of no return. At this point, I think silence is the best option. Your initial statement was that you only collected 300k to help get him traditional wear. Then why changing the matter again? Why bringing it this one? It was when the FBI brought another information or another report of 8 million naira. Now you are not saying you collected debt, you didn't collect debt. He's not looking at it at all. Of course, he didn't know. And those who are still supporting him, they are not ashamed of themselves. If really they are ashamed of themselves, they will not be talking. But they are just very few. They still want to make headways. That is why you see them talking here and there. They want to make headways. Very, very unfortunate. Well, the best thing for him is to just be quiet. It's just for him to be quiet and don't say anything. Of course, for him to have deleted his first post and telling us cockaboo stories, he has shot himself on the foot.